How to reset password on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can reset your password on WeChat if you have forgotten it. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device. Password can be reset in two ways. If you have logged into your account but you don't know the password, for that you'll have to click on this Me icon at the right button below and then click on Settings. On this page at the top you will see Account Security. Click on this Account Security option and within it click on Password. On this page you will see Forgot Old Password option. Click on it. Now if you click on this Send button, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number and then you can reset your WeChat password from there. Click on Send and wait for the code here. Once you get the code, enter it here. After entering the code, click on this Next button and now you can set a new password here. After entering and retyping your new password, click on this Done button at the top right corner. And there you go, you have successfully resetted your password on WeChat. Now, if you are not logged into your account and don't know your password, for that, you will have to open your WeChat application and you will see this interface on your mobile device. Now, at the very bottom, you will see Unable to Log In option. Click on this option and then you will be directed to this page. Here you will find three options, whether to get code on your mobile number, your QQ ID or the linked email. Select the one you want. If you select email address, you will have to enter your email address associated with your account. Then click on this Next button and a message will be sent to your email. Click on this OK button. Once you get the email, check it, follow the instructions and you can reset your password. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.